Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing battery on this Predator gaming laptop. Let's identify the model. This is the N22C3 Predator Helios 300. I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver. Not a screwdriver, it's actually a electric screwdriver. I have to remove all the screws here. So if your laptop is not taking the charge, or maybe that the battery run out very quickly, it's more likely that the battery is too old. It needs a replacement, and of course, if the laptop is more than 5 years old, it is time for a battery replacement. Alright, at this point here, you want to be very careful when you pop it open. I'm going to start here on the side of the corner. Let me get the prying tool here. I'm going to be using the plastic prying tool because I do not want to make a scratch. Okay. Just lift it straight up. Remove it, and the battery is located at the very bottom here. To disconnect, you need to kind of peel off the tape. The tape is holding on to the connector here, just for extra security reasons. So I'm going to reuse the tape in just a second. And to remove the connector, all you have to do is just to slide it down. I'm doing it very gently, pushing left and right. You kind of wiggle all the way down. And Phillips screws. So go ahead and remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm not sure if I need to remove the bottom screws, but I did it anyways. No, you don't have to remove the bottom screw. Okay. So there you have it. Take a look at the model here. That is AP21A8T. That is the battery model. I'll try to link it down in the description below where you can find them on either eBay or Amazon. If your battery is swollen or it's not taking the charge, maybe you want to change out the battery. That's pretty much it. If you have any question, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.